What's up, guys? Sean here, and today I have a special unboxing. So let's see what we got. How do I open this? I gotta open it kind of funky because I don't want to show my address. No offense. Alright, that should be good. Oh, baby. Let's see what we got here. Paramilitary2. Blue carbon fiber. Oh my God. If you guys didn't know already, this is the Smoky Mountain Knife Works National Knife Day special exclusive. I happened to score 2 of them, one for me and one for my buddy in the Millie Club. Oh my God. This is the most beautiful factory configuration Paramilitary2 I've ever seen. This is really amazing, guys. Let's check the centering. Perfect out of the box. Wow. Check that out. We got black liners, black hardware, and a DLC coated. Oh, that didn't want to open up. M4 blade. Let's see. Oh, almost dropped. Detent's just a little bit stiff, but you know what? I love a stiff detent. Beautiful DLC coated CPM M4 blade. Now, I'm not going to do a review on the Paramilitary2 because there's probably literally 1,000 on the internet, probably several hundred on YouTube alone, but we're just taking a second to sit here and admire how beautiful these custom Arctic Storm fat carbon scales are. And these are actually manufactured by Spyderco at their factory in Golden, Colorado. And that, I mean, this is my first time experiencing fat carbon, but I have to say they did absolutely excellent for their first time working with this material ever. The edges are nice and smooth. Everything's finished very nice. Feels perfectly smooth. Let me see. Now, a thing with marble carbon fiber or shredded carbon fiber, or really any type of carbon fiber, is voids. Now, because of the process when they're actually making this, it basically is layers of carbon fiber, either weave or shreds, and then a resin. So and then the resin hardens and you get your pattern. So with that process, you're kind of bound to get air pockets, which end up turning into voids, which is basically like a little divot. But as far as I can tell, there are none on these, which is really, really freaking cool, especially due to the price of this knife. This knife sold for $199. Now, as you may know, and most Spyderco exclusive Paramilitary 2s go for around the $200 mark. However, most of them have G10 handle scales. There's a couple with micarta, which were more expensive than $200. These scales alone would cost you probably $150 by themselves. And a Paramilitary2 in this blade steel would run you at least $200 alone. So you're looking at it. This thing would normally cost you at least $350 right off the jump. So this is an amazing value, and Smoky Mountain Knife Works, they really did this for the community. I gotta give them huge props, because they could have put this at a much higher MSRP and a much higher retail price. But I honestly believe that they put the price where it was as a, kind of a thank you to the knife community, and, something special for the Spyderco fans out there. And they knocked it out of the park with this. This is, I can't even tell you how cool this is. I've been a Spyderco fan for several years now, probably 4 years. And this is by far the coolest, best looking, most unique, most exotic Paramilitary2 exclusive that I have ever seen. Now, I'm going to leave the other one intact in the box. So that one is for my buddy, and this one is for me. So you guys saw it here. This thing is an absolute beauty. And I'll be getting this thing drop shut probably within the next 20 flicks or so. It should smooth out very quickly. It's dropping with the slightest hand movement, it's dropping almost halfway. So it's a little bit of flicking. This thing will break in very nicely, and we'll have, it's rock solid. So it'll be drop shut with 0 blade play. Go ahead and check the lock up real quick. Compression locks are on the back side. Oh. All right, so you guys aren't going to be able to see this, but I'll be able to look down in there and tell. All right, looks like we're at about 25 to 30%, which is spot on for Paramilitary2. So, yeah, that's it, guys. Super excited and grateful that I was able to get one of these, and very thankful to Smoky Mountain Knife Works and TC over there, who is Tyler Pipes, not Taylor, Tyler Pipes. And yeah, he is the man that made this happen. So shout out to them. I'm gonna let you guys go, and I'm gonna enjoy this. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.